Romans 4:21 says, and being fully assured that what God has promised, He's able to perform. So look at your neighbor in your living room and say, He's able. He's able. Exceedingly, abundantly, above all you could ask or according to the power that worketh within you. God is able to do just what He said He would do. He's gonna fulfill every promise to you. So don't give up on God, 'cause He won't give up on you. He's able. We bless your name, Jesus. Here we go. Say God is able. God is able to just what He said. Just what He said He would do. He's gonna fulfill. He's gonna fulfill every promise to you. Don't give up on God. Don't give up on God. And we bless your name, Lord. He won't give up on you. He's able. Yeah. You can do exceedingly abundantly above all we could ever ask or think. Say He's able. He's able. Yeah. We bless your name, Lord. So we're gonna say it again. Say God is able. God is able to do just what He said He would do. He's gonna fulfill every promise. And I believe the word of God. Don't give up on God. Don't give up on God. 'Cause He won't give up on you. He's able. Yeah. We bless your name, oh God, Lord. Oh, say He's able. He's able. Y'all know that song. Get into it with us. And we bless the name of Jesus. One more time, say He's able. He's able. And He's able. You say it. He's able. He's able. You can say He's able. He's able. Yes, He is. He's able. Come on, say He's able. 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 The enemy tried. He's able. Tried to attack me. He's able. Oh Lord, help me. He's able. He's able. He's able. No matter what you're going through. He's able. 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 No matter what it is. He's able. He's able. He's able. He's able. He's able. He's able. Sickness has got to be able. He's 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 a battle lamb. He's able. He's a time of battle. He's able. He's able. He's able. He's able. He's able. No matter the problem. He's able. I know that He's able. He's able. I can overcome. He's able. Because the Lord is with me. He's able. No matter the wind. He's able. No matter the storm. He's able. No matter the trial. He's able. No matter the tribulation. He's able. 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 Give up on God. He's able. He's able. He's able. He's able. Don't give up on God, 'cause He won't give up on you. Can y'all help me say, don't give up, don't give up, don't give up, don't give up. No matter what it looks like, no matter what it is, don't give up, don't give up, don't give up, don't give up. He won't give up on you. Don't throw in the towel, don't give up, don't give up, don't